Managing ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, through dietary choices and herbal remedies has gained increasing attention in holistic health approaches. ADHD affects focus, impulsivity, and hyperactivity, particularly in children, but also in adults. While medications are commonly prescribed, many people seek complementary natural strategies to help manage symptoms. Certain foods and herbs can play a supportive role in improving concentration, calming hyperactivity, and enhancing overall brain function. Here's a detailed narrative on foods and herbs that may help manage ADHD symptoms. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health. One of the most well-researched dietary approaches to managing ADHD is the inclusion of omega-3 fatty acids, which are critical for brain development and function. Omega-3s are found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, and in plant-based sources such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are essential for the myelination of neurons, which improves communication between brain cells. Research has shown that children with ADHD often have lower levels of omega-3s, and increasing their intake can improve focus, attention span, and cognitive function. 1. How to incorporate. Include fatty fish in meals 2, 3 times a week, or take an omega-3 supplement. 1. For plant-based sources, add ground flax seeds or chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. 2. Zinc. Supporting dopamine. Regulation zinc is an essential mineral that plays a key role in neurotransmitter function and the regulation of dopamine, a brain chemical associated with attention and learning. Studies have shown that children with ADHD often have lower levels of zinc, and supplementation may help improve hyperactivity, impulsivity, and attention issues. Foods rich in zinc include pumpkin seeds, beef, chickpeas, cashews, and spinach. Adding these zinc-rich foods to the diet can naturally support brain function and help manage ADHD symptoms. 1. How to incorporate. Snack on roasted pumpkin seeds, add chickpeas to salads or soups, and include zinc-rich vegetables like spinach in daily meals. 3. Magnesium. Calming the nervous system, magnesium is known as a natural calming agent and plays a vital role in relaxing the nervous system, making it particularly helpful for children and adults with ADHD who experience hyperactivity and restlessness. Magnesium supports the production of GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and focus. Deficiency in magnesium is linked to increased irritability, anxiety, and poor concentration. Magnesium-rich foods include dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, almonds, avocados, bananas, and whole grains. Supplementing with magnesium can help reduce hyperactivity and improve sleep quality, both of which are critical for managing ADHD. 1. How to incorporate. Make a smoothie with bananas and spinach. Snack on a handful of almonds or add avocado to salads and sandwiches. 4. Protein-rich foods. Stabilizing blood sugar and enhancing focus. Adequate protein intake is essential for stabilizing blood sugar levels and promoting sustained energy, which can help manage ADHD symptoms such as inattention and lack of focus. Protein also helps the brain produce neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, which regulate mood and attention. Good sources of protein include lean meats like chicken and turkey, eggs, nuts, beans, lentils, quinoa, and Greek yogurt. Starting the day with a protein-rich breakfast can enhance focus and reduce energy crashes that may exacerbate ADHD symptoms. 1. How to incorporate. Have scrambled eggs or Greek yogurt with nuts for breakfast, or add quinoa and beans to salads or soups for a nutrient-dense meal. 5. Iron. Improving focus and cognitive function. Iron is crucial for cognitive function and the production of dopamine, which influences attention and motivation. Low iron levels have been linked to more severe ADHD symptoms, particularly in terms of difficulty concentrating and increased impulsivity. Ensuring adequate iron intake can help improve overall brain function in individuals with ADHD. Iron-rich foods include red meat, lentils, spinach, tofu, pumpkin seeds, and fortified cereals. Pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C, like citrus fruits, helps increase iron absorption. 1. How to incorporate. Include lentils or tofu in stir-fries, spinach in smoothies, and snack on pumpkin seeds for an iron boost. Ginkgo biloba, herbal support for focus. Ginkgo. Biloba is an ancient herb traditionally used to improve memory and focus. It is believed to increase blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive performance and concentration. For individuals with ADHD, ginkgo may help improve attention span and reduce mental fatigue. Ginkgo is commonly taken in supplement form, either as capsules or tinctures. Some studies suggest that ginkgo biloba, when combined with other natural remedies like ginseng, can enhance its effects in improving ADHD symptoms. 1. How to incorporate. Ginkgo supplements are widely available, but it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting, especially for those taking medications. 7. Brahmi, Bacopa monnieri. Ayurvedic brain tonic Brahmi, also known as Bacopa monnieri, is a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine known for its cognitive-enhancing and anxiety-reducing properties. Bacopa has been used traditionally to improve memory, learning ability, and attention, making it a popular choice for supporting ADHD symptoms. Studies suggest that Bacopa may reduce restlessness and enhance cognitive processing speed, making it easier for individuals with ADHD to focus. Brahmi is typically available as an herbal supplement, and it can also be consumed as a tea. 1. How to incorporate. Take Brahmi in capsule or tincture form, or brew it as a tea for a calming and focusing effect. 8. Green tea. Natural L-theanine and caffeine. Combo green tea contains a unique combination of L-theanine and a small amount of caffeine, which together promote calm alertness and enhance focus without the jitteriness often associated with caffeine. L-theanine is an amino acid that promotes alpha brain waves, associated with a state of relaxed yet focused attention, making it a good choice for managing ADHD. Drinking green tea regularly can help improve concentration, reduce anxiety, and support better cognitive function. The L-theanine in green tea helps reduce hyperactivity and impulsivity, while the mild caffeine provides a gentle energy boost. 1. How to incorporate. Drink 2 cups of green tea daily to improve focus and reduce restlessness. 9. Rhodiola rosea, reducing fatigue and increasing focus. Rhodiola. Rosea is an adaptogenic herb known for its ability to reduce mental fatigue and improve focus and cognitive function. Rhodiola works by balancing the body's stress response and enhancing endurance and concentration. For individuals with ADHD, it may help improve attention span and reduce feelings of overwhelm and exhaustion. Rhodiola is commonly available in supplement form and can be taken as capsules or tinctures. 1. How to incorporate. Take rhodiola supplements in the morning to boost energy and focus throughout the day. Herbal teas, chamomile and lemon. Balm. Certain herbal teas can help calm the nervous system and improve focus, particularly for children with ADHD. Chamomile and lemon balm are both known for their soothing properties, which can help reduce anxiety and hyperactivity, promoting a sense of calm. Chamomile tea can be enjoyed in the evening to help with sleep, while lemon balm tea can be sipped throughout the day to promote a calm, focused mind. These teas are gentle, making them ideal for children who need a natural way to manage stress and impulsivity. 1. How to incorporate. Drink a cup of chamomile or lemon balm tea in the afternoon or evening for a calming effect. 11. Avoiding sugar and processed foods. Managing hyperactivity. While adding certain foods and herbs can be beneficial, it's equally important to avoid triggers that can exacerbate ADHD symptoms. Excessive sugar, processed foods, and artificial additives have been linked to increased hyperactivity and inattention in some individuals with ADHD. Minimizing processed snacks, sugary cereals, and artificial food dyes may help reduce symptoms. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to stabilize blood sugar and support optimal brain function. Foods and herbs can play a powerful role in managing ADHD by supporting brain health, stabilizing mood, and improving focus. Nutrient-rich foods like omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and magnesium provide the brain with essential building blocks for optimal function, while calming herbs like ginkgo biloba, Bacopa monnieri, and chamomile offer natural relief from hyperactivity and inattention. Incorporating these foods and herbs into the diet, while avoiding sugar and processed foods, can help improve ADHD symptoms in a gentle, holistic manner. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements, especially for children or those taking medications for ADHD.